Anyway, did you hear about the Captain Crunch thing? Discussion has been going on for the past 2 days with me is, first off, I want you to take a look at this non-normal size box of Captain Crunch. It's like not normal. Anyway, that they were going to officially retire the Captain Crunch. Not the character, the cereal in general. Just because, well, anyone who knows Captain Crunch knows it's just, you're distracting my video, knows that Captain Crunch is pure sugar. Of course, then you got the healthy people saying, it's not healthy for you, you shouldn't eat it. We've been in it for how many goddamn years? And you're going to try to put a ban on it? Because you just realized officially that it's not healthy for you? Yeah. But I'm eating Life cereal, so I don't care. This is my colorful fridge. I'm trying to redecorate it, so, to all my fans, please send me a picture of yourself or whatever. I'm trying to redecorate my fridge and my walls and everything to make this place more colorful. Come alive. Alright. Say bye to the Crunch Man. Blah blah. So, I have learned one thing. When you're living in a basement, don't have nail polish. Nail polish tends to freeze. I mean, this one still looks like it's good, but I wouldn't trust it because it froze and then it defroze, if you get my drift. Right, Tara? I'm now editing, so yay for editing! Pooh! Kitty, kitty, kitty. Mickey. What's up?
Hey, I'm ready to give the deposition. There's going to be one. Can't back out now. We gotta tell the DA everything about Renderman, about that, all of it. Dad's dead. He had a heart attack this morning.
Okay, with the experimentation of this bottle,
Look, whatever you found in my room was planted.
I do not like fake hands or anything, but I was just curiosity. The bottle decided to, how you say, spurt all over me, so now I have arms that are tan,
And then she said, fine, you can.
and I also have my feet where it also, ooh, that's up there, that exploded too. You can't really see it, but they're darker.
We found out.
It's just not right. So, question, how do I get this stuff off? Tigger is a big ball for right now. Just you. And I'm here reading how to drive again. Even though I know what to do, I have to take a fucking test, and it's driving me insane. Anyway, so, yeah, I have distraction. Yay. And distraction. Yay. And annoyance of parents. Yay. Oh, I hope it gets better. So, okay, what I did today was mainly clean up the basement. So, I'm just gonna show you what I did really fast. Clean, no heads, cleaned, organized and cleaned this little spot. And then moved. That's all stuff for sale, so yeah. And that's it. That still scares the living shit out of me.